राजपूत वाली
वो शगुन होता है।
बहुत अच्छे से
जी
जी जी सर बिल्कुल बहुत बड़ी नहीं, लेकिन सर इसमें थोड़ा लोग कंस्ट्रक्शन की वजह से प्रॉब्लम कुछ नहीं, एलिवेटेड आएगा, हम तो बोल जाते हैं यार ग्राफ जो भी इधर मुड़ते हैं तो सीधा आ जाते हैं।
सवाल होने के विषय में फिलॉसफी क्या करती है? तो मैंने कहा कि सर अगर मेडिकली देखें तो हार्ट का काम तो केवल ब्लड को प्योरीफाई और सप्लाई करना है। हाँ, लेकिन
up like a low nothing small in the world अब उसको हर चीज को छोटी चीज को बहुत
जहाँ सस्ती बनेगी वहाँ जाए बनने जाए। HMTC
on the diet. सर्वप्रथम मैं आज के मुख्य अतिथि डॉक्टर के पाठक जी का परिचय आपको देना चाहूंगी। इन्होंने इलाहाबाद विश्वविद्यालय से स्नातक, परास्नातक तथा PhD प्राप्त की है। UGC से जूनियर रिसर्च फेलोशिप के अंतर्गत अस्तित्ववाद पर शोध किया है इन्होंने। अब मैं इनके कार्यकाल पर प्रकाश डालना चाहूंगी। 2001 बैच IAS राजस्थान कैडर में इनका चयन हुआ। जैसलमेर, करौली, चूरू व भीलवाड़ा में जिला कलेक्टर के पद पर ये कार्यरत रहे। प्रारंभिक एवं माध्यमिक शिक्षा विभाग, सामाजिक न्याय एवं अधिकारिता विभाग में ये निदेशक के पद पर भी रहे। उप निवेशन विभाग में आयुक्त व्यय विभाग में ईश्वर, कुत्ता और आदमी एक नास्तिक की प्रार्थना, गांधीगिरी का मैनेजमेंट इत्यादि। हमारा सौभाग्य है कि यह हमारे समक्ष आज उपस्थित हैं।
Now, I would like to introduce our guest of honor, Shri Ajay Kumar Gupta. He is the Managing Director, Camtech Associates Private Limited, one of the leading consultancy companies having strategic alliances with. Presently, he is Honorable.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now I request the student coordinators to please present a bouquet to Dr. G.S. Rangayaj. Thank you. Now I request the student coordinators to please present a bouquet to Shri A.K. Gupta ji. Thank you. Now I request the student coordinators to please present a bouquet to Shri Ashok Bhatia ji. Thank you. And now I
Government body Arya Group for the welcome group. Please.
Guests of honor, members of Institution of Engineers, IEEE, Computer Society of India, and the dignitaries on the occasion of Engineers Day. Engineers Day 15th September is celebrated as an Engineers Day to commemorate the birthday of the legendary engineer Sir M. Visvesvaraya. He is recognized internationally for his genius in harnessing water resources.
Of the leading consultancy company having strategic alliances with the world-renowned consultancy companies. Recipient of National Award 2008 and National Award 2009 from President of India, Government of India for outstanding performance. He has contributed enormously in the industrial scene of India and elsewhere as turnkey projects, knowledge, ICT, skills and education, quality and international business strategy solution, consultancy companies.
Bhatia, Professor Gangayat, Professor Dharampal, Anurag sir, my colleagues, senior professors, faculty members, students, ladies and gentlemen. Today, 15th September, is the day which we celebrate as in the memory of Dr. M. Visvesvaraya. He was considered to be the pioneer engineer in our country, and he was a Engineers Day throughout the country. And in this context, at Arya College also, we celebrate Technica Nitus, a project competition for budding engineers every year.
KK Pathak sir and all the sitting on dais, faculty members, resources persons and students. As I am fellow member of IIT, I first want to say something about IIT. IIT was established in 1953, is a leading professional society devoted to the advancement of electronics, telecommunication, computer science, IT and other related disciplines. IIT serves its own members, more than 70,000, including organizations through 58 centers spread all over the India and one in Kathmandu, Nepal. Government of India, Science of Technology Department of Scientific and Industrial Research Organization has recognized IIT as a scientific and industrial research organization. The institution has also notified as an educational institution of national eminence by the Government of India. The objective of the IIT is promotes and conducts the basic engineering.
Dr. KK Pathak, Chief Guest of today's function, Professor Dhananjay Gupta, Professor Dharampal ji, Sri A.K. Gupta ji, Bhatia ji, Sodhi sir, my dear faculty colleagues, and most important, my dear students. I would like to say many things for students only, but before that, let me tell you customary about the Institution of Engineers, because I am honorary secretary also at present. See, Institution of Engineers is very old body. It is existing from last 120 years, and it has 105 centers in India, and it is the apex body of engineers. I would say everybody
I would like to invite a guest of honor, Dr. K.S. Sodhi, Chief Manager, CPET, to express his views on this occasion. Please, sir.
Respected Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. KK Pathak ji, respected dignitaries on the dais, and Dr. Anurag Agarwal ji, Group Chairman, Professor Dhananjay Gupta ji, Chairman Governing Body. I am really thankful to you and the students of Arya College who have organized this program on the auspicious day of this Engineers Day, on the birthday of Mokshagundam Visvesvaraya. Let me put light on the life of this person who was not only an expert in civil engineering, but he was a perfect man. He was a man of perfection, I can say. You will be surprised to know that he led a life of
101 years and up to 92 years, he was perfectly well in his professional career.
Gupta ji, MD, Chemtech Associate, to share his few words. Thank you, sir.
Professor J.S. Danga is my good friend. Professor Dharampal, Dr. Naveen Hemirajani, Engineer Anurag Agarwal, and Professor Dhananjay Gupta, distinguished faculty and students. I'll concentrate my speech on particularly this event for which I'm here. First of all, let me thank RS management for inviting me and watching some of those projects, while waiting for this function to start, before watching some of the projects. I travel a lot and interact with the industries, students, colleges in India and abroad. And as today's Engineers Day, we have know what is Engineers Day and how we are celebrating. So, who is an engineer? We have seen 3 Idiot picture. All of you have seen that picture?
I'd like to invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. K.K. Pathak, Secretary RPSC Ajmer, to say precious words and enlighten us. Please, sir.
नमस्कार। सबसे पहले क्षमा कि मैं 1 घंटे विलंब से पहुंचा और आप लोगों को प्रतीक्षा करनी पड़ी। तालियां तब भी बजती ही रही। समस्वरता जीवन में अच्छी है, लेकिन इतनी भी नहीं कि आप में संयोग से कल रात को कुछ काम आ गए, 2-3 बजे तक जगना पड़ा और मैं थोड़ी देर से उठा। लोग प्रायः किताबों में आप पढ़ते रहते होंगे, अर्ली टू बेड, अर्ली टू राइज मेक्स ए मैन हेल्दी, वेल्दी एंड वाइज। आदमी के हेल्दी होने का संबंध हो सकता है सुबह जगने से, लेकिन वेल्दी होने का कोई संबंध है ठीक से नहीं दिखता, और वाइज होने से तो कतई नहीं है। दुनिया के सारे विचारक, सारे वैज्ञानिक रात को जागते हैं, निशाचरी प्रवृत्ति हो जाती है। सारी दुनिया के चिकित्सा वैज्ञानिक मानते हैं कि आपके खाने और सोने के बीच में कम से कम 2 घंटे का अंतराल होना चाहिए, और जो लोग जल्दी सो जाते हैं वो अंतराल पूरा नहीं करते और जीवन भर बीमार रहते हैं, इसलिए हेल्दी होने का भी ठीक से संबंध उससे स्थापित नहीं हो पाता। मैं मजाक में प्रायः कहा करता था कि अर्ली टू बेड एंड अर्ली टू राइज मेक्स ए मैन हाकर, स्वीपर एंड मिल्कमैन। लेकिन ये अपनी कमियों को छिपाने की एक कोशिश है। तर्क के अपने सिद्धांत हैं, प्रतितर्क गढ़ता है। मैं संभवतः मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में आखिरी वक्ता हूं, इसलिए मेरी बातें ज्यादा देर तक याद रहेंगी। मेरी बाद कोई वक्ता आता, उसकी बातें ज्यादा याद। ये केवल टाइमिंग का एक जो टाइम अलॉट किया जाता है, और चूंकि मैं चीफ गेस्ट हूं इसलिए आखिर में रखा गया है। एक शेक्सपियर का 12th नाइट में कोटेशन है, सम आर बॉर्न ग्रेट, सम अचीव ग्रेटनेस एंड सम हैव ग्रेटनेस थ्रस्ट अपॉन देम। कुछ लोग महान जन्म लेते हैं, कुछ महानता अर्जित करते हैं, और कुछ लोगों पर महानता थोड़ा। आदमी की आंखें होंगी लेकिन उसकी आंखों में सपने नहीं होंगे। लेकिन उन सपनों को आंखों में तो बसाइए, लेकिन हो सके तो दिल में बसाइए, क्योंकि आंखों से वो आंसू के साथ बह सकते हैं लेकिन दिल के साथ निकल नहीं सकते। और अगर छलांग ही लगानी है तो अंतरिक्ष में लगाइए, गिरेंगे भी तो सितारों के बीच होंगे। धन्यवाद।
I take the opportunity to thank them for their support.
As the chairman of the Arya Group of College, it is my pleasure and privilege to thank the chief guest, Dr. K.K. Pathak, Secretary, RPSC, the well-known personality who has spared his precious time and inspired us again, once again. Thank you, K.K. Pathak sir. Also, I would like to extend my heartiest thanks to our guest of honor, Shri A.K. Gupta ji, who himself is an engineer and great educationist, I should say, also, and inspired us very much. Dr. K.S. Sodhi Sahab, who is himself is a great technograph and providing services to our colleges, to our college for many years. He is the chief manager in CIPET. Ashok Bhatia ji, who is the business manager in Bosch, Rajasthan. To grace the occasion of the Engineers Day and motivate the audience to our college, I again convey my heartiest thanks to them. I am also thankful to
Jaipur by presenting him a memento. Thank you, sir. Please take your positions for the national anthem.
Management, faculty members, and all my dear friends, we are standing before you. We would like to introduce our team to you. It's Team Innovation. We have 6 members in our technical team: Archit Agarwal, Anand Batar, Palak Sethia, Vikas Sharma, Anil Chaudhary, and Ankita Kambia. And we have other team also working behind us at the back end to give it 16 degrees of freedom. And my friend Archit Agarwal, he has done 2D and 3D designing of the brackets. And my friends Palak Sethia, Anand Batar, and Anil Chaudhary, and we all work on programming and basic designing of it. So here's the demo for it.
अरे भी तो नहीं है यार साथ इंटरव्यू में होती है
and we are the team for initiators and we have developed a multi-touch screen surface. So it is a prototype of the future technology which is coming and which is a great vision by engineers and scientists. So in this we have developed a surface, it is a multi-touch screen surface in which it is basically a totally touch screen, and in this we can work on a two-person basis. Two persons can work simultaneously on different applications and they can do different work, and they can join it and they can combine it and they can do it individually or working together. So we have developed it on the technique FTIR, Australian Photon Reflection. In this we have one IR